Now let's do the left hand. We will start on C, and we're going to do power chords. Power chords are just outlining the chord, but we're not going to play the middle finger. So C looks like this. Top and bottom fingers. So we go from C to D flat, to E flat, to F. Notice that those are all matching colors. C is white, D flat is black, E flat is black, F is all white. So the rhythm for this, we'll jump right to it, is instead of wait, we'll say yes. And on yes, we play the chord like this. Yes, got to the flagpole. Yes, got to the flagpole. Yes, got to the flag. And just like we did on the right hand, got to the flag is going to be every single rhythm. Got to the, and then on flag, we move it up. Flag. So, all together. Yes, got to the flagpole. Yes, got to the flagpole. Yes, got to the flag. Got to the flag. And now what I like to do is to break it up after we do got to the flag, got to the, and then I come down and I play our F to C. Play that twice, and then I finish on my F power chord. So it would look like this. Got to the flag. Yeah! We could even say that on flagpole, flagpole, flag. Great. Let's play all of the left hand start to finish. Starting on C. Yes. Starting on C. Yes. Got to the flagpole. Yes. Got to the flagpole. Yes. Got to the flag. Got to the flag. Yeah. All right. This will be a little bit of work, but we can put hands together. The left hand leads with yes. And the right hand matches the same chord. So C in the left hand, C in the right hand. Got to the flagpole. We move up in both hands. Lead with the left. Yes. Got to the flagpole. Left hand leads. We both move up to E flat. Yes. Got to the flag. Got to the flag. Pole, flag, pole, flag. I'm going to play it straight through at a slow speed. Here we go. Yes. Got to the flagpole. Yes. Got to the flagpole. Yes. Got to the flag. Got to the flagpole. Flagpole. Flag. I'll now play it normal speed. Yes, got to the flagpole. Yes, got to the flagpole. Yes, got to the flag. Got to the flagpole. Flagpole. Yeah. Now play without speaking. Hey, thanks for joining me today. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of this content. I would also love to hear from you what other tutorials you'd like to see. Go ahead and throw that in the comments, and we'll see you next time.